Hi, welcome back to Pilates Online. I'm Emma. This is day 2 of our 21-day challenge. Today will be another day of Pilates, and every day we'll be building on to each workout. As you get a little stronger and you learn the techniques, then we'll be adding on more challenging exercises. Today, let's start on the hands and knees. So come up so that your hands are under your shoulders, knees are under your hips, and make sure you're comfortable in the wrists. Take any modification you need to. And then making sure your shoulders are away from the ears, your back starts in a nice neutral spine. Make sure also you're not locking your elbows. Keep the chest up, breathe in to begin, and then exhale, round your spine, look at the stomach, curl the back. Inhale to arch the spine. Exhale, round. So we cat stretch here. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round the spine, look at the tummy. Inhale, arch, chest is open. 2 more. Exhale, round. Scoop the abs. Really push the floor away from you. Inhale to arch, chest is open. Last one. Exhale. Inhale. Back to neutral. Hold in your neutral position. Now we're reaching the left arm up on the inhale. And as you exhale, sweep the arm down, bending your right arm. So you come down onto your left shoulder and head. Just relax in this position if it's okay. Inhale to lift up again. Reach the hand to the ceiling. Exhale, dive down. Now if you're not comfortable to go all the way, that's okay, but aim to bring the shoulder down. 2 more like this. So as you lift up, push the floor away from you. Exhale, go down. When you go down, try not to move your bottom back. That's the challenge. Again, last one, breathe in. Exhale, go down. And come all the way up. Let's do the other side. We reach the right arm, look at the hand, but push the floor away from you. So we're not collapsing, we're opening the body. Exhale, reach through. Again, breathe in, lift the chest. Really open your shoulders. Exhale through. 2 more here. This is fantastic to loosen up the back, loosen up the spine, especially if you sit for long periods at your desk or you're just feeling tight. This is a great opening for the body. And come back up. So now from here, just tuck your toes, lift your hips up into an up stretch. Now, for the first time doing this, just bend your knees so that you create more of a flat back. It's easy when you straighten your legs and drop your heels to round your spine. I want you to see if you can lengthen out, almost stick your tail up. Lift the heels to begin. Bring the knees close to the chest just so that your bottom is in the air more. Then, if you feel okay, you can keep that nice length in your back as you drop the heels or straighten the legs. Now from here, walk forward into a plank. You can either stay in your full plank or at any point come down onto the knees. If you're in full plank, we just rock forward and back, pressing, keeping the chest up. If you're on your knees, you're just holding, lifting the chest up. Let's do 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from here, you can put the knees down or just bend the arms, come all the way down to the floor. Now bring your arms a little wider than the mat and take your legs to the edges of the mat. Turn your legs out from the hips so your toes are pointing out, heels are more in. Head is relaxed and your elbows are slightly lower than your shoulders. Your elbows are not as in line with the shoulders. Take them down a little. We start now by connecting gently on the lower abs. We're going to inhale first. Lift the head like you've got a marble on the end of your nose. You roll the marble away with your nose. Lift the head, lift the neck, then lift the chest. And then come up to a point where your ribs are still heavy into the mat. So we don't want to come so far up that those ribs come off. Keep them down just for this first part. And as you exhale, drop the chest, drop the head and neck. Inhale, roll the marble away, head, neck and chest comes up. Just look forward to the front. You don't have to arch the neck. And exhale down. So coming up, as you lift, open your shoulders. Really open your chest. Feel wide across the collarbones and down. Again, inhale. Shoulders down, pin those elbows to the mat, exhale. Now, as you go up this time, either stay here in this position if that's enough for you, and go back down and continue that, or keep pressing into those arms as you come all the way up. Now, we're not collapsing the belly, so you're fully dropped. You've got a little bit of engagement to support your back. As you go down, you touch the elbows, then the chest. Inhale to lift the head, neck, and chest. And exhale to go down, elbows, then chest. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Shoulders away from the ears, exhale down. Last one. Inhale, head, neck, and chest comes up. And exhale, lower. So from here, just bring your feet together, hands under shoulders, press back into your child's pose. Head is relaxed down. And then roll your spine all the way up. Now we're going to go into our hundreds exercise. So we come into the front of the mat. We're going to have the feet hip distance apart and roll your spine down, scooping the abs, bringing the legs up into your chest. Keep your chest nice and high. Now at any point if you need to, you lower your head down if you get neck tension. Otherwise, keep the chest nice and high and reach the arms. If you feel back tension, you can always put your feet down and just do the arms. We're going to start to pump the arms, legs at tabletop. So we inhale, long breath, and exhale, long breath. This is for abdominal endurance. Inhale and exhale. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. Stay up nice and high to that tip of the shoulder blade position. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the challenge is if you want to reach the legs away, turn your toes apart, heels together. Keep lengthening the legs, reach them out of the body. And ideally you're not bouncing your head and neck. You're really stable in the neck and the torso. Keep pumping those arms strong, like you're pressing your hands down, patting water or something. You in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. Last breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. Hold, breathe in, bend those knees, lower the chest down. Very nice. Bring your feet to the floor, feet are hip distance apart, and arms by your side. And we're going to inhale here, exhale, just send the hips straight up. Inhale to lower to a hover. Exhale, press up. Inhale to a hover. So you're bringing the whole shape up, hips and ribs together, and lower to a hover. So remember not to arch, keep the ribs connected, lift. Push through your heels. Here we're working a little into the bottom. 2 more. One of my favorite exercises, this one. It's very good to keep strong glutes. Last one, roll your spine down. Now from here, you can keep that exercise going, or we're going to go into single leg version. Breathe in, exhale, scoop your abs and roll your hips up. Now stay here, either lowering and lifting with both legs like we did, or try taking one leg up. Keep the hips level. We lower and lift for 10 and 9. Press through that heel. 8, 7, 6, 5. If you feel back tension, you go back to double legs. 4, 3, 2, hold up 1, inhale, put your foot down, exhale, lift the second leg up, same again. We go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, keep going, 3, keep those hips level, 2, 1, inhale, put that foot down, and exhale, roll your spine all the way down. Just hug your knees into your chest, release out your back. Do a few hip and leg circles. This is really nice to release out the hips. Change direction. And then we're going to reach the legs all the way to the floor. legs together, flex your feet, raise the arms back behind you without letting your ribs pop. So hover your arms just off the mat, shoulders connect into your back. Now reach the heels away as you breathe in and reach the arms. Exhale, nod the chin, roll your spine up, and then scoop your belly as you reach forward. So we're not reaching to collapse, we're lifting like there's a big ball underneath our belly. Forward. Inhale, start to roll back. Scoop the tummy. Exhale, continue down. Now, if this is okay for you, keep going. Inhale. If you're not finding your way up very easily, exhale. I'm going to show you a modification. So the first one is just holding the legs. Okay, so rolling all the way down, arms back, inhaling, exhale, roll up, grabbing behind the legs. That may be enough for you. The second option is take hold from under your legs. So you're pushing the legs that way, you're pulling the arms this way. So resisting, if your legs are pushing away to give you some resistance. The elbows stay up. We scoop those abs, we roll back and roll all the way down. Head relaxes. Inhale, nod the chin. Exhale, push the legs away. Elbows are up. So you've got something to pull against. So you're pushing your legs so you can pull on them. Inhale up. Exhale, scoop as you roll back. Slide the feet towards your bottom. Use your core. Roll down. Inhale, press the legs away, elbows are up, scoop the tummy as you push, push, push. So both exercises, or all three versions, are with scooped abs. As you're doing the straight leg one, keep reaching your heels away. Last one for any version you're doing, inhale. Exhale, scoop the tummy first, roll your body up, reach forward. And release. Very nice. Sit to face me with your legs crossed. If you're not feeling comfortable crossing your legs, remember, sit up on a pillow, or you can be on a chair is fine, or even legs open. Okay, just listen to your body, or even forward. So we start first, one arm by our side. Inhale to lift the other arm. Exhale, stretch over, keeping the elbow of the arm that's on the floor pointing down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Other side. Breathe in. Exhale, reach. Inhale, lift tall. Exhale, down. Two more of these. Breathing in. Exhale, over. Good stretch for the side body. Inhale. Exhale. Now, as you reach over, try not to lift your butt cheek. Keep the both bottom cheeks down. Breathe in and release. Very nice work. Give your shoulders a nice roll out. And that was your day 2 of our Pilates challenge. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow on the mat. Thank you so much.